Let's take a quick tour around the SI Moodle page. At the top we have the current email list in case you need to email another SI leader. If you click on that, you can find the list. Right here we have two videos. The first one's the welcome video, which tells you what you need to know and do for the first, at the beginning of the semester. And right here is a forms video, and it talks about the two forms that you need to use as an SI leader to keep records during the semester. So as we scroll down, each box, when you click on, will open up a submenu with extra forms or links that you can look at. So we already talked about the welcome box and the forms box. So now let's open up the forum box. Here is where I will post forums that I want you to post to. And the first one is introduce yourself. And at the beginning of the semester, you would click on the introduce yourself box and just tell a little bit about yourself to the other SI leaders. And this could be what you're studying, what you're the SI for, which professor you're working with, anything you want other SI leaders to know. And that's the main one. Sometimes I may put other ones on during the semester, but that's the main one. So we'll scroll down. So in each box are resources. So right here we have math resources. If you click on this, there'll be links to different websites. And I found these links either at conferences or other SI leaders would share them with me. Anything that's interesting I would put in here, and some of them are very helpful. And some you probably even recognize. So we have the math one that we just looked at. Here's English and writing resources, science resources. We have a box all about learning styles. So with this one, let's open it up. And here's links to quizzes, or you can download handouts to give to students who may not know how to study or not understand why their studying isn't working. They might be trying to learn that's not compatible with their own learning style. So this might be helpful. Let me scroll down again. I have test taking strategies with more handouts. Right here is study skills, group and other discussion techniques, fun online games and tools. So let's see what else we have here. There's some SI web links. Right here, this is an interesting box. It's free online courses. If you click here, there's links to courses that you could take online for free, which is pretty cool. Right here, if you clicked on this box, it shows all the flyers and bookmarks that previous SI leaders created for their courses. Right here is survey results. Every semester we take 3 surveys. One, the students take at the end of the semester. The instructors will take a survey halfway through the semester to see how things are going. And after the semester, the SI leaders take a survey. And the results are posted here. So there's surveys results from 2016 until current. Right here in this box are all the training manuals. We have the ones that Cape Cod Community College gives out for peer tutors and SI leaders. We have other manuals from other colleges as well. So if you ever wanted to look at those, you can go in there. And right here in this box are conferences that I attended and received information that I thought may be helpful, or other SIs attended conferences and they came back with material that they wanted to share. So that's a quick tour of the SI Moodle page. When you have time, I'd like you to go through it and look at the links. And more importantly, if you have any links that you want me to add, that would be great. That's how I in fact have most of these links. So anything that you've ever found helpful, either working with students or studying on your own, please send them to me and I would be happy to add them to the SI Moodle page.